Looks like my job to judge everyone until I get the judging done. It's only fair to find out where you claim you're from, why you left. There's some sketch of you is coming through. Just make sure you hold still, don't move anything. Now we'll see just how well you're put together and what you're missing. The pieces fit because I pushed them through. There's no more mystery. I know all about you. The pieces fit the way I want them to. So don't go changing. Don't give me work to do. The third dimension's fine most of the time, but I never thought along those lines, so I won't try to identify more than just a single sign. It's a face value strategy, and it helps me to think much faster. It's never clearly the pieces fit because I push them through. There's no more mystery. I know all about you. The pieces fit the way I want them to. So don't go changing. Don't give me work to do. Now we'll see how you're put together and what you're missing. There are issues with your fearlessness, and there's no need for evidence. We've got everything we need right here.